Eternal Flame of Love, a Scandinavian wedding tale. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Scandinavia, there lived a young couple named Astrid and Erik. They were deeply in love and had known each other since childhood. Their love story had blossomed like the enchanting flowers that adorned the meadows during the spring. As the years passed, Astrid and Erik's love only grew stronger, and they knew in their hearts that they were destined to be together forever. Their love was not just an emotion, it was a deep connection that transcended time and space. They believed that their love was like the eternal flame that burned brightly even during the coldest winters. In the village, weddings were celebrated with great joy and tradition. When Astrid and Erik decided to tie the knot, the whole community came together to help them prepare for the most special day of their lives. The villagers decorated the quaint wooden church with fresh flowers, and the aroma of wildflowers filled the air. As the wedding day approached, Astrid and Erik could feel their hearts beating with excitement. They were not just excited about the celebration, they were eager to take a sacred vow in front of their families, friends, and the divine spirits that watched over their village. On the morning of the wedding, the sun rose over the horizon, casting a golden hue over the village. Astrid adorned herself in a traditional Scandinavian wedding dress, and Erik wore a simple yet elegant attire, reflecting the purity and sincerity of their love. The ceremony began with the sound of the ancient horn, echoing through the hills and signaling the start of a momentous occasion. As Astrid and Erik stood before the altar, the village elder, adorned in traditional garments, began the wedding ceremony. He spoke of love, commitment, and the importance of supporting one another through life's journey. In the presence of their loved ones and under the watchful eyes of the divine spirits, Astrid and Erik exchanged heartfelt vows. They promised to cherish each other, to support one another through thick and thin, and to hold each other's hands in both happiness and sorrow. Their promises were not mere words, but heartfelt commitments that resonated deeply with everyone present. As the village elder pronounced them husband and wife, the villagers erupted in cheers and applause. The joyous sounds of the village musicians playing traditional Scandinavian tunes filled the air, and the celebration continued throughout the day and into the night. During the wedding feast, the villagers shared stories of love, hope, and resilience. They spoke of how Astrid and Erik's love story inspired them to cherish the precious bonds they held with their own loved ones. As the night wore on, Astrid and Erik found a quiet moment to themselves. They gazed into each other's eyes, overwhelmed with gratitude for the love they had found in one another. In that moment, they realized that their wedding day was not just about the celebration, it was a reminder of the sacredness of love and the beauty of two souls coming together as one. In the years that followed, Astrid and Erik continued to embody the true essence of love. They'd faced challenges together, celebrated victories, and nurtured their love like a delicate flower that needed care and attention. Their love story became a timeless tale of hope and inspiration for the generations to come. And so, in the heart of Scandinavia, the story of Astrid and Erik's wedding remained etched in the memories of the villagers, a symbol of the enduring power of love and the beauty of weddings that brought not just two souls together, but an entire community united in celebration and joy.